Top 5 online teaching jobs from home. Number 1, Course Hero. Share your expertise, earn rewards, join as a tutor on Course Hero to help students, contribute to academic resources, and earn money by creating an account on their tutor platform. Number 2, MyFavTutor. Personalized tutoring, unlimited possibilities. Create an account as a tutor on MyFavTutor to showcase your skills, connect with students, and customize your tutoring services according to their needs. Number 3, Udemy. Teach, inspire, earn. Start teaching on Udemy by creating an instructor account, sharing your knowledge through engaging courses, and accessing a vast learner community while earning revenue from your course sales. Number 4, TutorMe. Make a difference, connect with students. Sign up as a tutor on TutorMe by creating an account, showcasing your expertise, and connecting with students seeking your tutoring services. Number 5, Photomath. Empower math learners. Become a tutor. Create an account as a math tutor on Photomath to offer step-by-step guidance, assist students in solving math problems, and contribute to their math education. Link of these courses is given in the description below. If you find this awesome, hit that like button and subscribe to Technical Tips by Sam Solutions.